So here's a quick update, guys. Yesterday I posted this video about somebody trashing Bitcoin, talking rubbish about Bitcoin, in other words, and it got 749 views, 2 comments, 13 likes. Not great, but it's something. It was a bit of a long video. It was 1 minute because that's the maximum you can have for a YouTube short. But now I've just posted this video. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how I found this video and how you can use the same thing for your channel. And I'm not going to show you the exact software I use to replicate what I find and change it, because that's going to be talked about in the coaching program, which you can sign up below. This is the video. So there's this guy who's been getting, so it's got 4 likes so far. It just had 2 like 2 minutes ago. So I put a sound, as you can see, I used a viral sound that does really well with things like this. So this guy is a YouTuber, and he's been invited to a Man United game, Manchester United, and all the people on TikTok are raving about him. So what I did was I went over to TikTok and I saw this video on my For You page, but you can literally type it into TikTok here. This is valuable advice, guys. You can replicate this with your own business. Typed in I show speed meets Ronaldo. This is the guy, as you can see. These are different, and you can see exactly with the engagement. I'm not going to give away the software that shows this engagement because you get all that info in the coaching program below. So yeah, 13% engagement. This got 6.4 million views 17 hours ago. So I'm a little bit late to the trend, because if it was 1 or 2 hours ago, then that's when you get the most traffic. But still, this is getting views. As you can see, this is still getting views. So it went from 59 views to 101, so it's doubled. So it's keeping on giving views. It's giving views every second. So the average view duration is 10 seconds, which is nice. Audience, all not subscribed. This is important. So every person who's watching this video is not subscribed, who potentially will subscribe to my channel. Now, as you can see, there's so many videos about it. You can even, if you're on your phone, you can filter it out. So it's like the most liked or the most watched or whatever. But yeah, this is the way to do it. And what I like to do as well. So 13% engagement, what I do is I get a comment that has had a lot of likes, and I can use that as my caption. So that's a good way how to leverage psychology. Imagine Messi comes out, just write that in your caption. Imagine Messi comes out, and that's going to create engagement and comments and people saying their own point of view, etc. So now I'm going to refresh this. Let's see how many likes we got. Might be the same, it might be more. 6. So it's doing well. So it's keeping on. If I really wanted to make sure that this video did something amazing, I would completely edit it, but that takes a little bit more time. See, 139 views, 0.4 hours watched. Let's see the engagement. 10 seconds. It's still 10 seconds, which is great. The whole video is 13 seconds. That's almost the whole video being watched. So yeah. That is how I'm finding, let's refresh it again and see what's going on. That is how I'm finding videos to post on my channel that literally take 7 likes now. So it keeps on getting likes. That literally takes me not a lot of time to create, but I've got that leverage, and that's going to continue to give me views like pretty much every day until the trend dies down, which it probably won't. Because he keeps on growing, this YouTuber. So yeah, guys, I am 163 views. How you can find the videos, what strategies I use, what kind of marketing, psychology, copywriting I'm using, what tools I'm using, what software. Any software that is being sold right now to do with YouTube is garbage. I'm gonna just point it out. Is garbage. Do you know why? Because those software are out of date. They don't take into consideration that YouTube's changing. It's better for somebody to have you point you in the right direction. And that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm here to do. And you're never going to get that with all those software that is being pushed to you, and all those get rich quick schemes, those traffic software that literally give you no traffic. Now this is real traffic. This is happening live. Every single minute I'm getting 20 odd views, and that's going to potentially turn into sales, which I'm going to teach you in the course. So it's been about 5 minutes, and I'm just doing a quick recap and of what's going on. So this video that I just shared with you, it had about 300 or 400 views before. So now, as you can see, we're moving past 1,000 views, and that's not even been 1 hour yet. And I did this all with this one video. And as you can see, the reach, I'll show you some statistics. So engagement, still 10 seconds, 1.9 hours watched, which is amazing. Go to audience, still 100% not subscribed. So every single person that's seen, this is the beauty of YouTube Shorts, guys. It's fast, it's quick. You don't need to think about your content. You just post it. Well, you do need to think about it, but it's much easier. Now, I'm going to show you the video again. So last time we had, I think, 7 likes. Let's check the engagement on the video. Just going to click this link so you can watch the video here. Click that here. And bear in mind, this is no SEO. This is just literally me posting a video in its raw form. So if we actually did scale this video up, it would do something different. So yeah, now we've got 33 likes. So it's gone from 7 to 33 likes, which is just amazing. And it's literally been maybe, let's check how long it's been since I posted it. So it's been about half an hour since I posted it. So in half an hour, we've managed to get 1.3k views. That's just incredible. I don't know any other kind of platform that allows you to do that, because you're leveraging a trend and you're testing something that's already worked, proven to work before, and that's how we do it. And then from then on, those people that are subscribed, you can literally introduce them to your brand. You can do a short video like I'm doing here, put it on the main homepage of your channel. So when people check this video out, they will check out your channel, they'll see you, and they'll straight away engage with your brand, which is just, in my opinion, the best way to build a brand. It is the best way to get out there, because that's the only way you're going to get out there, guys, pretty much every single time. And even if a video does flop, don't worry about it. Just keep on going. So we've got 55 likes now. You'll obviously get dislikes here and there. That's because people are people. Some people like videos, some people don't. Can't please everyone. Yeah, so I've already got a couple subscribers. So I had 779 before, now I'm on 781. Remember, these are all real subscribers. Views. Yeah, this is doing well. This is doing really well. 2.6k views. So that, guys, that's just the start of it. That's the potential you will see with YouTube Shorts. And you won't get there all at once, but with the 5 to 10 week coaching, 2.7k views, you will see drastic results, I'm telling you. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you in the program.